Hi, this is Bob with Gibbs RV, and today we're looking at a 2018 Starcraft Autumn Ridge. This is a Model 255 RLS. It's a rear living floor plan in a lightweight, smaller fifth wheel. Fiberglass cap on the front is the bonus. That's going to protect this RV for years to come. There's our slide out, power hookups, locking outside compartments. We also have outside shower. Let's take a look at the other side and get out of that traffic noise. Solar resistant graphics. We got a power awning. You see that? And the light rope behind it, you see there? That'll light up your campground at night, but it won't attract bugs. Nice thing about that. Outside speakers, our storage here, you see, nicely finished off. Magnetic fasteners, so we don't have to fasten it by hand. And solar ready. So if you have a zamped solar panel, plug and play, you're off grid. And there's our model, 255 RLS. And of course, Starcraft's been around a while. 1903, they started making farm plows. That's how they got their start. More locking compartments. You want to bring all that stuff along, they give you the room to do it. We've got a receiver hitch, rear bumper, and here's our slide out as seen from the back side. Let's take a look at the inside. 3-step entry, and this is a radial entry door, the rounded top with the drip molding. We like them because they don't leak. And here's our floor plan. A rear living, as stated, side dinette booth. Of course, that makes into a bed too. You simply lower the table and you have guest sleeping accommodations in both these. But look at all this bonus countertop space in your kitchen. It looks like a solid surface countertop, but it's not. It's actually some kind of a material that looks like a stone, that sort of thing. But look at all this bonus room. Usually you're cooking on an area about this size, your meal prep. 3-burner stove, oven underneath. We've got the microwave over the top. Storage, storage, storage. Lots of pantry storage. Storage above the compartments. Glass panel cabinet doors in the back. Lots of windows too, so you can take in that nature view. We got glass panel cabinets over the dinette. And a central entertainment area here, so you can TV of your choice mounted right here. As you can see, good viewing angle from just about every spot in the coach. Plus it comes with a Furrion AM/FM CD DVD player. We also have, right when I walked in here, look at that, they made this into storage rather than just a place to put your shoes. Extra big Dometic Refrigerator. Look how big this thing is. Lots of room for all your perishables. Put a little window seat here if you take your shoes off before you come in, or when you're going out you want to put them back on. Little place to sit down. We got a couple coat hooks here and storage overhead. We go up into the bedroom proper, but as we do, we're going to pass all these drawers, all that storage. Because really, the little side cabinets, they give you storage, but not really enough. The extra storage in this is really going to be a bonus. There's nightstands on both sides with charging outlets, drawers in the nightstands, as well as complete across the top cabinetry. Spot for another TV up here on the wall. And lastly, our bathroom. We've got the sink, shower tub stall with a skylight over the top, and our vanity mirror with the sink. It's 2018 Starcraft right here at Gibbs RV in Coos Bay, 1-800-824-4388. See us on the web, www.gibbsrv.com. That's GIBSRV.com, Coos Bay.